What is that one? Now here, yes, not a star A. Yes, A, B. Very good. Now here. How means I will tell you. First observe here. A, B. Okay, fine. Yes, some fellows are guessing only in our class only. That's why maybe they're guessing they're intelligent fellows. Just they're telling what A, B is a correct answer. Okay, fine. Okay, you are telling correct answer in this case. Okay, okay, you don't know execution also. Now observe here. Yes, now you are telling a correct answer means great. Here R pad I am using only. R pad means right side padding only. Now here, yes. Here 5 means there is no problem. Yes, here, yes, ABC star star it will be displayed. Right side padding or not? Yes, here ABC star star. But unfortunately, observe here. Yes, here same thing. I try to use a what? Here second parameter less number of total length is less number of bytes than the first parameter characters I'm using. 2 I'm using. Now you are telling what anybody in our class really great. What the output? What the output? RPad this one. What the output? Yes, what the output? What the output? Maybe. Anybody. Some fellows are telling what BC. Some fellows are telling a B. Some fellows are telling a C star. Anything. Some fellows are telling what. In this case also AB. I am also. You are also thinking BC only or C star only. But unfortunately, Oracle server returns okay output AB. Why? When a reason is there, yes. Whenever we are using a LPAD and RPAD functions, one special situation, always same output it will be returned. That situation only interviewer asking. That's why up to now I am not telling. Now check it out. Yes, here AB only it will be returned. Yes, what is this one? Here also RPAD side also AB and LPAD side also AB is there. Why means reason is there. Observe here. Yes, actually, why interviewer asking what that question means a reason is there. Yes, actually, LPAD, RPAD executions are different. That executions you have an idea, then only you are telling what correct answer. Otherwise, you are unable to tell a correct answer. That's why execution process you have an idea or not. Check it out purpose. Observe it. Suppose what the execution process means. Concentrate here. Concentrate here. Suppose LPAD function is there. Slowly observe it here. How will the LPAD, RPAD functions are executed means I will tell you. Very important. In a previous class, yesterday class, A, B, C, D I am writing. Here second parameters 10 I am giving easiness purpose. Okay. Again field character hash I am telling. Okay, fine. Yes, here like this. But what is the lecturers? Either Murli sir, otherwise any lecturer also easiness purpose, students understandable purpose. What they are telling? Okay, LPAD means left side padding only, nothing is there. Whenever we are using a LPAD, control goes to where? Yes, first second parameter only. Second parameter always total length only it will be returned. That's why here 10 means 10 bytes only. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 only. But unfortunately here in this example side 4 bytes 4 characters they are passing only. Just here the 4 characters like this only. Yes, here A, B, C, D only. And now your remaining characters, remaining spaces only filled with the what character, specified character, hash, here, hash, like this only we are telling. Then only easily understandable, maybe students easily understandable purpose, every lecturer telling what like this, but unfortunately, yes, output easily understandable. Oh, maybe it will fill the remaining spaces with the specified character on the left side of the given string. But Oracle server does not execute like this, does not execute. That is the wrong side. Yes, first control does not goes to where? Yes, second parameter. First control goes to where? First parameter first. Second parameter next. Third parameter next only. But your understandable purpose, lecturers start telling what because syntactically they are not good in a first time newcomer. That's why maybe they are telling like that. But reality side, execution not like that. Yes, here always execution LPAD, RPAD functions. Control goes to where? First parameter first only, then only controlling the first parameter by using a second parameter, then only here third parameter. That is important. Now how it will be executed means first control goes to where? First parameter. First parameter is a what? A, B, C, D is there. Observe here. A, B, C, D. Again second parameter length is 10, but here, yes, here 4 characters are there, remaining characters here 6 character left side it will be allocated the memory. Now here this 6 characters is filled with the what? Yes, here hash only. This is the way it will be executed like this. This is a correct execution. That's why always whenever we are using a LPAD RPAD function, first control goes to where? First parameter first, then only second parameter, then only third parameter. Suppose I am using a what in a previous case ABC. Here 2 I am writing only. Okay, fine. Yes, here again star I am writing. In this case, what is the output piece? AB they are telling only. How means a simple observe here. First control goes to where? First parameter. First parameter means what? Yes, your left side first character onwards. Here A, and now here A, and which one? Second character is what? B. But second character, second parameter is a 2 is a total length. That's why this has stopped the execution only. Automatically AB it will be written. Okay. Again, same thing. I'm using a what? Yes, your R pad I'm using. Suppose here just I'm using a what? Copy this one. I try to execute like this. Now here I'm using a what? RPad function only. Whenever RPad function we are using means what happened? First control goes to where? First parameter left side, first character onwards. Remaining spaces means then a right side padding only. Here left side first character A, like a second character B, and also here 2 is there. That total length is 2 means stop the execution. That's why here also AB, here also AB, it will be written or not? Yes, here. That's why, yes, in a Oracle database side, LPAD, RPAD functions returns a what? A same output when in interviewer asking means don't afraid, only very easy. In Oracle, whenever second parameter having a less number of bytes, 2, 3, like this. Then the now you are given first parameter number of characters, then LPAD, RPAD functions returns same results because in Oracle server, whenever we are executing a what? Yes, LPAD, RPAD functions, then Oracle server always executes those functions. First parameter left side, first character onwards. Left side first character onwards, here onwards it will be executed, not a second parameter only. Very important. Write a note that one, then example I will tell you. Write a note. Execution side of, write a note. Fastly write it, takes and all this we are starting. In Oracle, write it. In Oracle, whenever second parameter having in Oracle, whenever second parameter having less number of bytes, in Oracle, whenever second parameter having less number of bytes than the, in Oracle, whenever second parameter having less number of bytes than the given first parameter, in Oracle, whenever second parameter having less number of bytes than the given first parameter, in Oracle, whenever second parameter having less number of bytes than the given first parameter, number of characters, then the given first parameter number of characters, then the given first parameter number of characters, then LPAD comma RPAD functions, then LPAD comma RPAD functions, returns the same results. Then LPAD comma RPAD functions returns the same results because in Oracle, whenever we are submitting, because in Oracle, whenever we are submitting L pad comma L pad comma R pad functions. Whenever we are submitting LPAD comma RPAD functions, then Oracle server always executes. Then Oracle server always executes then Oracle server always executes those functions, first parameter left side first character onwards. 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 Example, these two examples, write it. Write it these examples. So that's why execution is the left side first parameter first character onwards. No, that's why I like this. Select LPAD ABC2 comma star. Outputs, write it. Both the things are same. So many things are there, very easy, fastly one by one we are checking only. Now here. Finished? Completed fast. Now here. AB, here AB, okay? Yes. RPAD also same, LPAD also same. In a special situation in this case, only nothing is there. Second parameter is less number of bytes. First parameter, more number of characters are there. Only now here, yes, left side first character execution. That's why LPAD, RPAD, same output only, okay, in this case. Next observe here. Now concentrate. Suppose can we use a what more than one characters in a way in your okay LPAD RPAD functions possible? Possible. Suppose here just here table data I'm interested. Now check it out up to now outside data. No. Now concentrate here. Fast observe one by one. Now here select e name I'm using. Okay, fine. For example, original table. Okay, fine. Column. Here I try to use a what LPAD function. We can also pass a what column name, comma, total length either 10 or 20, anything also, comma, I'm interested to use a what here at two characters. Yes, here multiple characters also possible. Here from, okay, fine, here from, yes, EMP, same like a string, it will be treated as or not. Yes, here multiple characters also possible or not possible. Is a design like this, something only now here, yes, here. Write it. You can also use multiple characters like this, just your testing purpose. And now some fellows are using in a real-time project side reporting side. Dynamic length also they are using. Dynamic length means already have an idea, no? Length is a function is there. Yes, your length is a function is there. The second parameter is number, no? Your length of anything, name, anything also. Yes, into okay 5 or 10 or 2 or anything also we are using. And now here whatever okay you want to display, okay, substitute a what any value star or anything, this type of dynamic lens also possible on your own wish, anything also we are using like this. And now here check it out, yes, this type of dynamic length also possible. And now here observe here, this is the way dynamic length, the length of the way that of a column name into 2 or 5 or anything, I am giving only dynamic length also possible or not. Yes, here write it another example fastly. These are all the things, small things. Write it dynamic length also possible like this, anything your own wish report is. Second parameter, total length, you are numbering purpose. Now setting rpad, write it first, rpad. Same syntax, write it. rpad. It will fills, write it. It will fills remaining spaces. It will fills the remaining spaces with specified character. It will fills remaining spaces, rpad, write it. It will fills remaining spaces with specified character on the right side of the given string. It will fill the remaining spaces with the specified character on the right side of the given string. Okay, now I'm not interested to use a syntax. Why? Because the same syntax. No, now here check it out. Observe here. Select or pad. Okay, same syntax. Okay, fine. Here observe here. A B C D. Anything else I'm giving. Second parameter is what total length 10. Here I'm using a what a hash or anything. Right side only. No. Yes, here from dual automatically right side A B C hash will display or not. Write it fast. Same thing syntax only. Okay. Here, observe here, concentrate here. Now suppose I try to interested to use a table column also. Select now here, observe here, just idea purpose only. Select e name. Okay, fine. Yes, I'm interested to use a what here. Suppose here e name is a column is there. Okay, fine. Yes, here. Now I'm passing award this one in a where in a rpad function. Rpad, don't write it only. Here e name is a column. Here 10 or 40 or 50 or anything. Yes, here in a okay field character right hand side anything also I'm passing from do a okay from EMP up to now. Okay, right hand side observe here. Yes, here Smith right hand side whatever okay remaining spaces are there filled with the what hyphen. But here I want to display salary of the where these employees. Then we are using a what a concatenation operator. Maybe you are familiar in the previous classes. The vertical bars I'm using or not? Yes, here in this case. Suppose for example, these type of reports I want means just concatenation operator salary like this. Then automatically this appears like a different output only. Oh, maybe a Smith, okay, fine, 2100 salary. Again, Ellen, okay, 1700. Ward 1250, Jones 2975. The reporting side, this type of things they are using. Just write it example, just examples, right? So many fellows are asking, okay, we can use our functions within another functions, but can we use rpad, lpad functions in a very single select statement? Possible, possible. Your own wish, anything also we are using one. Finish the completed this one? Yes, yeah. Now check it out. I try to use a what? LPAD, RPAD functions in a single select statement possible. Suppose here RPAD I'm using. Okay, fine. Within that one only here now here LPAD I'm using anything. So now here yes, yeah, LPAD like this only. Here only we are using a what? Here anything also ename column. Now here 10. Here we are using a what either hash or anything, your own wish, anything also. Now this is the LPAD function. Okay, fine, comma. Yes, here in a second parameter LPAD side, here total length, no more length is better option, 15 like this. Again here I'm using a what here, now star or okay, in a as the other symbol, anything like this. Yes, here in a alias name I'm interested as padded value I am writing only, for example display purpose only, and alias name you have an idea from okay, so now here em this type of in a number of things also we are using only. Suppose select the name comma or pad lpad in a where a single statement only possible or not? Yes, possible. Here observe here smith is displayed in a where hash hash yes smith star star. Left and right hand side also possible or not? Yes, possible. Write it this one example. You can also use both the functions in a very single select step. Roughly one or two lines output also right. Okay, enough. And now observe here. Actually, now here observe here. What are the functions are important in a character function is substring and in-string combination. Okay, fine. Yes, yeah, that is most powerful. And also translate and replace. And also another function is important. CHR is a function. This is so many fellows are doesn't have an idea, but very easy, but very important in a real-time project side. A regularly used concept CHR. That's why that is the easy function. Also, so many interviewer are asking only. But whenever in a function they're asking is everyone telling, but CHR function working professional only well-known persons. Why? Because in a PLSQL, so now here is carriage return and also spaces and a tab, horizontal tab, and the next line they want to display. In that case, CHR is very helpful. That's why maybe into your CHR function they're asking. But you are a SQL programmer, CHR function, anybody asking is don't afraid. Already maybe you have an idea in a where in a Java, C, C++, these type of languages, ASCII values you have an idea in a computer student. Means opposite of the ASCII function is nothing but a CHR. Very easy. And now here, first ASCII I'm telling. ASCII is what not important, but unfortunately CHR function easily you are remembering means better to use a what ASCII function only. Now here write it side heading ASCII. It returns, write it, ASCII. It returns ASCII value of the, it returns ASCII value of the given character. It returns ASCII value of the given character. This everyone knows. No, suppose here select here ASCII of here I'm using the what a small a different, capital A different already know ASCII value of here ampersand I'm using, for example anything also. Then here a small a means 97, capital A means different, that is 64. That is only 20 spread or not? Yes, write it 97 and fastly write it. Next, write it CHR. Suppose I'm passing a want 97 into where CHR means character, it will display. CHR 38 means automatically this ampersand it will display. CHR10 means a new line, it will be displayed on the next line like that only. That's why just we are passing a ASCII value, then automatically corresponding character it will be displayed. That is a reverse, no? Yes, very easy. Write it. CHR, very important. Put a star, CHR on. CHR is not there. CHR, put a star. This is regularly using in a PLSQL project. Okay, write it. CHR, put a star. It returns character. Write it fast. It returns character for the given ASCII value. It returns character. It returns character. CHR. It returns character for the given ASCII value. It returns character for the given ASCII value. Numbers also we are passing in a where character function. No? That's why here I am writing a what CHR. Just I am passing a what here CHR I am passing. Here 97 I am passing only. ASCII value I am passing. Here 97 means A. Here I am passing a what CHR like this. Just here 38 I am passing. Automatically it will be displayed a what here. Now here ampersand and A. A carriage return on the next line means always CHR10 we are using. But these two I want only for example easiness purpose. And now here check it out. Yes, here. Automatically A and ampersand it will displayed or not, right? Example. Syntax not required, very easy. Write it this one example. Next, the last function that is never important, but better to know. Write it. Concat. Concatenation operator is important, but concat is a what less important. Why? Because these are two strings only concatenating. 3 or 4 or 5 means failure. In that case, we are using a what? Concatenation operator we are using. That's why concat is never popular in Oracle. Concatenation operator is powerful. That's why in a olden days we are familiar. Concatenation operator is there or not? That is regularly they are using. Why? Because concatenation operator means any number of values also concatenating. But concat means only two strings concatenating. Write it. Concat string 1 comma string 2. Write it. Concat string 1 comma string 2. It is used to concatenate. It is used to concatenate given two strings, only two. It is used to concatenate given two strings. It is used to concatenate given two strings. Okay. And now here fast write it here. Select is not important, just write it. Concat. Here anything also welcome, I'm writing welcome. Anything else ABC XYZ also from to here. There is nobody using in a project side. Why? Because concatenation operator is powerful. You are right. Welcome. Okay, these are the string functions only, and now character functions, but substring, in string, and also now here translate and replace and CHR you must familiar. Okay, remaining you don't know also not a problem, but in a future REGXP, INSTR, REGXP, SPTSTR, REGXP, replace these three functions again. We are telling in a regular expression side. Okay, na? Yes, here now very important. Now very important concept. Date functions. Date functions through date conversion we are starting. That is the first important class in our class. What is the important class means tomorrow onwards to care and to date. But here today date functions we are starting only. And now here date functions. Date functions. Very interesting. This one very important. These all the things. Date functions. Actually, observe here. Before we are going to start a date functions, anybody attending a one demo classes means I am telling only. In Oracle, what is the default date format is there? Very good. DD hyphen which one? Yes, MON hyphen which one? YY. Other than this default date format, I want to display the data means in a tomorrow onwards to care, to date. So many functions we are using only. That is important. First today normal date functions we are telling only. Now here what is the default date format in Oracle? DD hyphen MON hyphen YY. That is right. 7 bytes are there. Write it fast. In Oracle, write it. In Oracle, by default date format is in Oracle by default date format is DD hyphen MON hyphen YY. In Oracle by default date format is DD hyphen MON hyphen YY. In Oracle default date format is TD hyphen MON hyphen YY. Next, Oracle having following date functions. Oracle having following date functions. These are first one sysdate, very important. Open and close parentheses are not there. Sysdate is there. This is pseudo column feature. Next one add underscore MONTHS only. Months are there. Again, third one, last underscore day is a function. Again, here, fourth one, next underscore day is a function. Again, fifth one, months underscore between. These are all very important, very easy, and most powerful. Write it. Oracle having following date functions. These are sysdate. Sysdate open and close parentheses are not there. Why? Because in a feature there is a pseudo column we are learning only. That's different. That's why open and close parentheses they are not giving. Second one add underscore months. Third one last underscore day. Fourth one next underscore day. Fifth one months underscore between. Sysdate add underscore months. Open and close parentheses. Last underscore day, next underscore day, months underscore between. Side heading sysdate. Side heading sysdate. What is sysdate means? Nothing is there. Now here very easy. Suppose Oracle is available in my system. Now here in this operating system current date. What is the current date here? 16th. Now September. Yes, 2020 or not? Yes, this date only. Now that's why always server date actually client mission date means always current underscore date is there. But unfortunately in our Oracle side, in this case, in my system, your system, client and server, same thing in a where actually in a real-time project side, session sign time zone date is there. That is the current underscore date is there. But here sysdate means here server date actually. But unfortunately here your understandable purpose, everyone telling it returns current date of the system in Oracle date format. That's the operating system date only. Simple. Where the Oracle resides, that one. But your understandable purpose, current date of the system in Oracle date format better. Write it. It returns. Write it fast. It returns current date of the system. It returns current date of the system in Oracle date format. It returns current date of the system in Oracle date format. It returns current date of the system in Oracle date format. It returns current date of the system in Oracle date format. It returns current date of the system in Oracle date format. Oracle date format. Now check it out. Observe here, practical observe here. Suppose I am writing like this. Select here systate. Very important. Systate regularly we are using in a project side. Okay. Systate from dual means automatically yes your current date of the system in a Oracle date format it will be displayed. Now check it out. Yes year 16th DD iPhone. Yes year September means SCP 3 letters no MON. Now YY means what? 2020 means 20. It will display or not? Yes yeah. Write it. Example write it fastly. Select state from dual. Output also writing DD hyphen MON hyphen Y1. I don't want this format. Another format means tomorrow onwards some other functions. Okay, first observation. Finished. Select state from dual. Output writing DD 16 hyphen SCP hyphen 20. Next. Add underscore months. MONTHS. Add underscore months, right? Add underscore months. Add underscore months means screen observe it here. Actually, add underscore months means I am also, you are also thinking only adding a months only we are thinking, but unfortunately that is the wrong side. Not only adding a months, subtracting a months also possible. Actually, two parameters are there. Second parameter is a positive number. 5 I am giving means 5 months it will be added. Yes, but unfortunately, second parameter is a negative sign means yes, control goes to where previous months also possible. That's why if you want to add a months or subtracting a months also possible by using a what add underscore months function. That's why I want to control goes to future months. Otherwise, I want to control goes to where previous months also possible by using a add underscore months only. How means I will tell you. Right? It is used to add. Write it. It is used to add or subtract. It is used to add or subtract number of months. It is used to add or subtract number of months from the specified date. It is used to add or subtract number of months from the specified date based on second parameter. It is used to add or subtract number of months from the specified date based on second parameter. It is used to add or subtract number of months. It is used to add or subtract a number of months from the specified date based on second parameter. Syntax. Add underscore months. Here date in a date, but today's date we are using, tomorrow onwards in a dates also. Here number. Okay, fine. This is a syntax, write it. This number is a what? Either positive number or negative number. Anything. Positive means future months, negative means previous months. Here negative sign also possible. And positive sign also possible. Negative or positive, write it. Add underscore months, sysdate, comma. Otherwise, any date, comma, we are using, okay? Add underscore months, date, comma, number. This number is a what? Either positive or negative. It is used to add or subtract number of months from this specified date based on the second parameter, okay? Syntax, add underscore months, date, comma, number. Now practical absolute, practically very easy. Now here, yes, this is we are regularly we are using next only. Now concentrate here. Suppose now here check it out. First time applying only. Now today's state only. Later any date also. Now any date means some other knowledge is required. That is tomorrow to underscore date side. Now select observe here. Add underscore months like this only. Here today date is state. For example, I'm applying any date is state. Okay, fine. Comma 1 month I'm adding. Yes, here 1 month I'm adding means after September, October is there or not? And now here check it out. Yes, or automatically October it will be written. Suppose here I want to control ghost where not only 1 month, here 5 months I want to add, 10 months I want to add, 100 months I want to add. Possible? Yes, here February it will be displayed or not 2021. Again, suppose I want to control ghost where previous months means just we are using a what? Negative sign, -1, -2, -3 like this only. Yes, automatically August it will be displayed or not. That's why negative sign means previous months. Positive sign means what? Future months it will be written or not. Yes, yeah. First write it this example. Example. The today important concept date arithmetic capture. Last underscore day. Last underscore day means what is the last underscore day? Very good. So many fellows are telling you what? Yes, here, yes, answer. Yesterday they are telling only. There's a wrong side. Last underscore day means not a yesterday. Yes, okay. So now okay. Next underscore day means not a tomorrow. Tomorrow you want means 68 plus 1. Today we are learning a date arithmetic next only. Very important. Date plus number means working. Again, yesterday want means date minus number. 68 minus 1 we are using means then yesterday it will be retrieved only. That's why last underscore day means not a yesterday. Last underscore day means nothing is there. Any date we are passing means in that date, what is the last date of the month? The last date of the month means 30 and 29th, 28th, these type of things are 31st. Something is there or not? Whatever date we are passing only, in that one, last date only, it will be displayed only. Now you write it, last underscore day. It returns last date of the month. It returns the last date of the month based on the past date. It returns the last date of the month based on the past date. It returns the last date of the month based on the past date. This function accepts only one parameter. 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 Syntax last underscore day of here date. Write it syntax, write it last underscore day of date. Last underscore day of date. Now screen observed very important. Suppose here I am writing a what, don't write it only last underscore day of, last underscore day of. Here any date is working. Okay, don't write it. Okay, suppose here 14th, now here, yes, here March, don't write it, don't just observe it here. Yes, here March only, now here, yes, here again 09 like this. Any date I am passing means then automatically it is working a what last date only 30, 31st or anything it will be displayed. Okay, 31st. But why today Murlis are not using a what any date means? Reason is there. Any date we are using means some more knowledge is required. There is a tomorrow classes. Suppose I am not good at what that knowledge means, just 03 I am using means it won't work. It won't work. Date means something problem. Now here, yes, here error. In that case, you are a good experienced person means here we are using a what 2 underscore date only. Now here, yes, here, okay, tomorrow we are learning about those all the things that is very important in a dates why we are not using those all the things actual concept only. Now here these type of things we are writing means then only working. Okay, this much of knowledge is required. That is later. Okay, not today. Now here, yes, here next classes onwards you are understandable. That's why today Murlis are not telling about yes, their own dates only. Just we are passing about concept understandable purpose. Oh, maybe add underscore months means adding a month, subtracting a month. So that is the state they are using. And also last underscore day means here state I am using only. Yes, state means you are never facing any problem only. Select okay last underscore data day of state from dual means 30 it will be displayed or not. Yes, here now check it out. 30 September write it today. Write it. Example. Write it fast. Select last underscore day of state from dual. First, you are a good professional means always first three functions we are learning first. Sysdate, yes, yard underscore months. Okay, already I'm telling. And last underscore day we are learning only. Then only today date arithmetic is a concept is there, that is you must familiar. Based on this date arithmetic only and these three functions, one important entry question is there that we are achieving only. Then only last underscore day months underscore between, okay, next underscore day months underscore between, after two care after first functions understood. Sysdate means current date of the system in a Oracle date format. Yet underscore months means control goes to where future months or previous months. Last underscore day means last date of the where current month only. Okay, month only, specified date we are passing, but one parameter. Okay, fine. Next, write it, very important universal concept in every database. Date arithmetic, write it. Then only next underscore day, then only months underscore between. Write it. Date arithmetic. This is most powerful. Date arithmetic. Every database same thing is there. Date arithmetic. What the date arithmetic means? Four rules are there. Now don't read it. Don't read it. 1 minute observe it here. Any date plus number, working or not working. Anybody guess it in our class only? Date plus number. Today date is a sysdate. Sysdate plus 1 means then automatically control goes to where? Tomorrow. Very good. Date plus number, working or not? Yes, you're working. Don't write it. Yes, here. Date plus number is working. Okay, fine. Yes, here everyone knows. Yes, here this is working only. Don't write it. Don't write it. Just observe it here. Again. Anybody tell me in our class, date minus number in a database, date minus number working or not working? Very good, working. Okay, so today minus 1 means yesterday it will be displayed. Yes, it is working only. Don't write it. And now check it out. Again. Next, tell me. Yes, four rules are there in every database. Date plus date, working or not working? Guess it. Date plus date, very easy. Suppose here date plus date, working or not working in every database? Yes, fast tell me. Suppose yesterday plus today is equal to tomorrow or not? Yes, very good. No, not working. Yesterday plus today is equal to tomorrow. How it is possible? And now here, very good. Yes, here, no, not working. Date plus another date, not working. No. Yes, here again, practical I'm showing only. Again, observe it here. Yes, date minus date 1 minus date 2. Possible or not? Yes, here, date 1 minus date 2. But unfortunately, this is possible. Number of days possible. That's why date 1 plus date 2 only not working. Remaining all the things are occasion of your yes here working only in a way these four date arithmetic rules are you must familiar in every database, not only Oracle side only. Now here write it this one. These four date arithmetic rules, write it. I'm showing you practically this date arithmetic very important. Our own date side we are using next only. Here tick mark, write it. Okay, fine. Here brackets tick mark working. This is also working. This is not working. This is working. Date plus number is in the bracket, tick mark, write it. Okay, working. Date plus number is working. Date minus number is working. Date 1 plus date 2 not working. Date 1 minus date 2 working. Every database same rules. Date plus number is working. Date minus number is not working. Date 1 plus date 2 is not working. Date 1 minus date 2 is working. Suppose anybody interested to check this one means so today's state based also we are checking, not a problem. Later only we can any date also, but first today date. Now we are check it out. Yes, here tomorrow any date also we are using only. First observe here, concentrate here. Yes, you are finished. Now check it out. Fast tell me. Now here I am checking only today date based only. Suppose select here, don't write it. Sysdate plus select sysdate means today date. No, yes, select sysdate from dual like this only. Here automatically dd-m 16th September it will display. Suppose I want to control goes to where tomorrow. So state plus 1 date plus number possible or not? Yes, here okay 17th September. This class is most powerful only. First important class in our Oracle side only. Two date most powerful that. And now we are suppose not only 1 day, 100 days also we are adding, 1000 days also we are adding only. Possible or not? Yes, possible only. And now 25th December 2020 it will be displayed or not? Yes, here again I want to control goes to where? Yes, yesterday I want to display means sysdate minus 1. Possible or not? Yes, possible only. Yesterday like this only. 15th September automatically displayed or not? Yes, here like this. Now I want to display date 1 plus date 2. Suppose for example sysdate plus okay sysdate working or not working? Today plus today is equal to Tomorrow, don't tell tomorrow. Now here there is wrong side. Very good. Now sysdate plus sysdate not there. Okay, that's why Oracle server is calling only. Now here who told that one only date plus date are not allowed. It will be gives a message or not. Yes, error. Date plus date not allowed. Again, but unfortunately, date minus date is allowed. Yes, today minus today. Today minus today means how many days are there? Yes, very good. So many fellows are telling you what? Zero. Yes, very good. Your favorite answer. Zero only. How many number of days are there in between the two dates like this is date minus sister? Zero is there or not? Yes, your only date one plus date two is not allowed. Remaining is allowed. Our own dates also. Next only some other knowledge is required. But today is date based only. Write it. This for write it. Example. This is state based. Write it. Example. One popular interview question is there. That purpose suddenly date arithmetic I am starting. Actually, so many interviewer fresher level they're asking maybe functions you have an idea are not checked out purpose. Already predefined functions are there. Sysdate I am telling. Okay, fine. Again, the last okay add underscore months I am telling only. Okay, today. Okay, fine. Again, another one is last underscore day is there. By using these three functions, and also date arithmetic you have an idea, date plus number you have an idea or not. By using these three functions and also date arithmetic, I want to display first date of the current month. They are asking into your very important intro question. First date of the current month. Suppose September 1st I want to display. How can I mean? Simple technique is there. First control goes to where previous month last date we have to identify. Previous month last date means August 31st or not? Yes, yeah. This August 31st, how can I? Previous month means add underscore months minus one, last underscore days as combination we are using only. Now then that 31 plus 1 means not a 32. Automatically operating system date only first day of the September it will display or not. Very important. So many interviewer asking why, because actually first day of the month, first day of the year means in a future trunc function we are using only in a dates. But here first today these predefined functions through they are asking only. Write a query. First query. Write a query. Write a query to display. Very easy. Write a query to display first date of the current month. Write a query to display first date of the current month by using sysdate, add underscore months, last underscore day functions. Write a query to display first date of the current month. Write a query to display first date of the current month by using sysdate, add underscore months, last underscore day functions. Write a query to display first date of the current month by using sysdate, add underscore months, last underscore day functions. Try it. Very easy. Date arithmetic you have an idea, and also this logic you have an idea. Previous month, last date you have to identify first. Then plus one means automatically adding or not. Very good. Some fellows are logically thinking means easy. This is Oracle Corporation giving, but easy. Write a query to display first date of the current month by using sysdate, add underscore months, last underscore day functions. Easy, not very difficult. Then only we are starting very important date conversion functions to get to date. That is the first important concept. Very important concept. That is next. That is the first important class. Slowly try it. Some fellows are writing, I think. Slowly, whatever you know, write it. Just maybe syntax purpose interviewer asking these type of things. Yes. Anybody writing? Simple. That is the only syntax. Anybody? Fast. Yes, so very good. Some fellows are writing correct. And now here, check it out. Simple. And now here, yes. That easy only because they are asking a predefined function. So that's why. Otherwise, okay, trunk function, your own logic very easy. But predefined function syntax, your own idea are not check it out purpose. Simple. Yes, what the first technique means? Simple. First, you are a good programmer means first control goes to where previous month last day. Previous month last day you have to display means first finished. Previous month last day plus one means maybe yes, and next month means September first is displayed or not. Yes, previous month means August last day we are displaying only plus one means automatically first day of the September. Simple. Now here, yes, suppose first you are identifying only how can I display last day of the current month means last underscore day. Okay, fine. Observe here how much easy. Observe here. Here state this is the last day of the current month. This one already we are telling about recently or not. Yes, here. But I don't want last date of the current month. Previous month last day I want only. That is important. Suppose here this is the last day of the current month. This is a normal logic. Observe here. Concentrate here. Maybe some fellows are writing very good. Yes, here. Now I don't want this one only. I want to find out a what a control goes to where previous month last day. Previous month means how can I? Yes, function within another function possible here. Previous month means yard underscore. Very good. Yard underscore months. We are using only control goes to previous months means state minus one. I am using or not. Second parameter minus one means control goes to previous month. Previous month, okay, so now 16th, okay, August something is there, and now in that one last day. That's why first August. Observe here. Yes, 31st August is there. Now this is automatic date plus number possible. That's why here 31st plus one possible or not. This is date plus one. I am telling or not. Same like here date plus number possible only. Just observe it here. Here we are using a what? A plus one, plus two, plus three, anything. Plus one means in first day it will be displayed only. Now here check it out. First September it will be displayed. In a future, not like that trunk function, round functions we are using only. First write it. Very easy, very good. Just a predefined syntax based only they are asking this one. First you are using add underscore months also working, but this is different, easy. Write it this one. Select last underscore day of add underscore months of 8 comma minus 1 plus 1 means date plus number as arithmetic operation or not. This is the lowest level fundamental because through this one unit it also we are retrieving another column. We are changing minus 1 place in a number plus 1 place in a number, then automatically control goes to unit. But unfortunately, okay, next onwards, very important. First important concept in a Oracle means a two underscore char, two underscore date functions. Very important. Date conversion function. That is most powerful. Those are all the things. So tomorrow I will tell you. Tomorrow is the first important class in SQL. Don't miss the class only. Very important class. Okay, that class based only date insertion, date, so many things understandable. That is tomorrow different only. Tomorrow onwards, very important. Tomorrow I will